Okay, so here's just an update on my 20 long. I got a lot of algae, the brown algae. That's pretty common with newly set up aquariums. So yeah, I've got that pretty bad right there, but that's where the light is, and that's also where the current from the little tiny 100-gallon filter comes down at. As you can see, I got most of the algae off my Anubias nana leaves. It really perked up. The roots are getting real big and bushy and everything. It's taking, and what am I saying? It's doing real good. And you can see a lot of brown algae on that leaf there. It's an artificial plant though, so it doesn't matter. Is my lizard's tail plant. It's doing good. My lizard's tail is doing good also. So yeah, it hasn't grown, but it hasn't wilted either. So give it a couple days or so, maybe a week, and it should perk up and start growing and maybe even blooming. But yeah, so this is my 20 long, and that's my Anubias nana plant right there. I'm probably gonna get either some autocinclus catfish or some small plecos. I have quite a few plecos I'd like to get, but I don't know how big they'll get. If they get like really big, I'd have to eventually upgrade them, so there wouldn't be no sorry, there wouldn't really be no point to getting them because they couldn't live in here the whole time. But yeah, so I like the clown pleco and albino and regular bristlenose pleco, along with the rubber lip pleco. I wouldn't mind having any of those, but I don't know. I'm gonna probably get some autocinclus for this tank or something because I have a brown algae problem pretty bad, as you can see. And those guys just love it. But my koi catfish are keeping the gravel nice and clean, but they don't really do the algae kind of stuff. There's my stick. I don't know. I think it's starting to sink. I mean, become less buoyant, whatever. There's my other stick over there. It's not buoyant at all. Oh yeah, my LED light strips in the back. It's just regular top fin LED bubble wall. I just flipped around and put it on the surface instead of in the bottom of the aquarium, so it gives a little blue tint to the back of it. But yeah, that's my Anubias nana. Here's my weird cat. I was in here when I'm taking a video, and that's only when he's in here. What do you want, Audio? He's pretty cool. I like him. Don't forget to subscribe and like my cat. And over here is my 55, just a quick glimpse of it. Oh yeah, you see me in my red shorts and everything. Let's see, get this window curtain pulled back. There we go. My albino tiger Oscar is in there growing like a weed. I don't know, since I set up the tank, he's probably growing a half inch to an inch since I set up the tank. Rescaped it, reset it up about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, you have to check it out. It used to be over in this corner. Look at my old videos. And it was just horrible. My old videos are horrible, but whatever. There's my two tiger Oscars, my red belly pacu down there. My Eclipse catfish is over there. I still ain't placing the tank, but there's no current really, other than over on that side. This wave maker I put in there blows it right along the side and bounces back, and then that little pump pumps it along the bottom of the gravel. So it's not really stagnant anymore. Oscars don't seem to love it. They don't seem to hate it though. It gives them a little bit more activity to the tank though, and it kind of sort of makes a little less maintenance for me. It makes it cloudy, but it also clears up the cloudiness because the stuff can't settle and the filters will pick it up. Like, oops, sorry Oreo, you meatball. Tripped over you little bum. But yeah, so that's my cat. He's being a little bum. But my huge pleco is in there. Plecos are some of my favorite species of fish. Look at the face on that dude. He's good. He's bigger than my hand. And I have my little tiny regular pleco back there. He's about, what, probably 5 inches, maybe 6. This dude here is about 8.5, maybe 9. So just picture him about the length of this guy. That's how big he is. That guy that is there, like, he's 9 inches, I think, so, yeah. That guy there's 9 inches. 9.25, maybe, I don't know. I haven't measured him in a while. I haven't measured him in 2 weeks. Well, I haven't measured him since I reset up the tank. So, 2 weeks I haven't measured him in. He was 9 inches last time I measured him, though. So, he might have grown a little bit. But yeah, so that's my 55. I would hope I get a bigger tank eventually for these guys. I don't know if I will or not because, I mean, they're not cheap by any means. I'm either gonna get canister filter maybe for this tank. I'm not sure. I have a couple other things I'd like to put the money toward. I have quite a few things I'd like to put the money towards actually. I'd like to get a planted tank started, and I would like to get some Eco-Complete and get some planted tanks going and some light fixtures for those. I'd like to get a canister filter, and there's some other stuff I'd like to get that's not fish related, but yeah, so I'd like to get a bigger tank. So I don't know if I'll get the canister. If I just what canister, I would get the Fluval 406 if I got one. Let's put it that way. If I got it for my 55, which I would. But I mean, for about $34 more, I could get a 75 gallons. So that's my predicament. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Safely shaking this, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some feedback. My Nubius Nano's growing like a weed. I don't do any supplements. It's in a regular fluorescent light bulb. Haven't got a new one. That's just off my 10 gallon. It's over here in the corner. And that's where the bluegill was, and this is his new home. I reinforced the stand and everything, so yeah. Looks nice. The Nubius Nano loves it. It really perked up and started growing when I did that. Put it in this tank, so it's fresh water and everything. A lot of people say if you don't do supplements to do big water changes. I never did anything with my 10 gallon. It was just simple. I didn't have to do anything with it. If I had to, I would have, but it just stayed clear and never got dirty. But yeah, so that's my Nubius Nano. It looks amazing. It's one of my more favorite plants. I wouldn't mind getting maybe some corkscrew valve, some jungle valve. But I think that might be a higher light plant. I'll have to check into that. I don't know. But I don't have the substrate for it. Like this guy, he just absorbs his nutrients from the water. That's why his roots aren't planted. Well, they can be planted, but I don't plant mine. But, yeah, I also have regular substrate, or like regular gravel, so. I don't have Eco-Complete or anything in here, which is why I really can't get any Jungle Val or Java Fern, stuff like that. I don't have the right equipment. But I might maybe get some more Nubius, though. Maybe put some on that piece of driftwood right there. I don't know. Whatever, but that's my 20, my 55. Thanks for watching. Signing off with my cat Oreo. He's just being a weirdo. Yeah, he's pretty cool though. There you go, lick yourself. Don't get too freaky now. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Adios. Oh, thanks for my 2 subscribers too. Let's see if we can make that 100 or more. That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. Adios.